Hi, I'm Lisa Robison, the founder of Dwell with Dignity, and I wanted to take a minute to tell you a little bit about our biannual fundraiser called Thrift Studio. Dwell with Dignity teams up with agencies who get homeless families into self-sufficiency. We go into a completely empty apartment and we provide everything from the artwork to the furniture. We stock their linen pantry, we stock their food pantry, we even make their first night's meal. And in order to fund our programs at Dwell with Dignity, we've come up with a fundraiser. It's a biannual fundraiser called Thrift Studio, and we have amazing support in the design community. So I'm going to take you on a little tour of Thrift Studio and show you all of the sponsors and the people who have come together to make this such a special fundraiser for us. The muralist Jared Foote came in and really made this special. It's taken on such an amazing presence when you walk into this room. I'd like to thank Horchow for their support because I don't know that anyone else could have done this just exactly like they have. TLC Contract Group is our title sponsor, and you can tell by the effort that they put forth that they really believe in what Dwell with Dignity is all about and what Thrift Studio is about in particular. Thank you, Debbie, Bennett, and Kara for all you do for us. Michelle Nussbaumer and her team at Ceylon AC, they leave me speechless. I can't say enough about how much effort they put into this amazing space, and it is truly stunning. I'd like to thank Melissa Woody. She's an interior designer here in Dallas, and she also has a little shop. It's called The Lamp Shop, and you can see what she's done here with her beautiful lamp. She's taken inventory from Dwell with Dignity, and she's changed these candlesticks into lovely lamps, and the wiring is just impeccable. Peacock Alley has been a supporter of ours now for quite some time, and not only have they provided this beautiful bedding for our thrift shop, but they also provide bedding for every installation we do for a family in need. Thank you so much, Peacock Alley, for what you're doing for your community. The Container Store is another supporter who has been with us for quite some time, and we're so excited about what they do for every family that we serve. They come in and they put Elfa in the closets, which is so important because a lot of times we have many families who are living in small spaces and they need those kind of closet solutions. Container Store has done such a happy space. Thank you so much, Container Store, for supporting Dwell with Dignity. We were so fortunate to have the very talented dealers of Uncommon Objects come out here and style all of these Marburger finds. And they took time out of their day to come from Austin and also from Dallas to do this for us, and it's just amazing. Thank you so much, Uncommon Objects. I'd like to thank Wisteria and their incredible creative team for coming in and putting together this spectacular space for Thrift Studio. Not only have they supported us through their catalog, also financially, but they've taken so much time and effort to make this a special place. Thank you so much, Wisteria. Amy Thomason from Cadwalader Design put together this lovely vignette with the idea that two little twin girls with red hair would be residing in here. I just love how they put so much effort into creating a space that's real.